So this is a NGT rod pod that I picked up from the car boot sale. £7, I think it was. I know it's one of the older style or older models, but again on Amazon they're going for around £20. Picked it up £7, bargain. So these are just some rod butts I picked up, £7 each. You can definitely find cheaper ones, but these are the NGT bite alarms. I think they were £19.50 for a pack of 3 from Amazon.
Handiest things in the world. If you haven't got a pair, get a pair.
Actually, do you need them?
So this is Lucy's trusted rig that she casted into a tree last time. So let's see how she gets on this time with it. Well, where do you want it to go? I'd go near the bank up there. I'd go over near there. To the left of you, so I wouldn't cast too far out.
I think I am just going to go straight for the first one.
Go straight then?
First cast.
Go on then.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
I would definitely recast that.
Really?
I wouldn't have it slam bang in the middle. I'd go either by the banks or leave it there if you're happy with it being there. Fish swim.
Fish do swim.
Yeah, I'd take that if I was you. We're gonna get all the rods set up really quickly because that's Acacia's. So we're just gonna leave you watching this, and if she catches on her rig in the first half hour, you'll see it. We'll pull up and reel down.
I'm caught under my truck.
Pull back. Pull back.
Hey!
Got it. Right, lower the thingy. No. So when you bring it in from the back, lift that up.
Lift it up.
Yeah.
Yep.
So then the fish will take line.
Loosen up.
Top, loosen the bottom. Right. At the bottom, there's a little spinny thing. There you go. Right, that's enough. The rod
It won't stay up.
The rod it's fine.
Be careful that rod don't go in.
Well done. First catch of the day.
Landing mat, right?
Landing mat, yeah.
Midway from me crisps.
Told you, it's the eating strap. This is not up. This is an upset fishing.
I ain't got the weight set up.
He looks like a 7.
I thought less than that, but you good?
I'll pull him out, we'll weigh him, get him in the water a bit in the sling, get ready for pictures.
Oh, I should still be recalibrated from almost off the board. What's that happened? You're on a chip. Oh.
Lift that up. Oh yeah, you need to calibrate it.
Just hold it, I'll do it.
Any chance here?
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, go on.
Can't move back the net. Hello, mate. What do you think?
Oh yeah, he don't weigh much, does he? Fucking hell, not even 5. You took pictures of him?
I do, yeah, just in case that is the only one we're having. Sonny caught a fish. Finally, after all day. We have been waiting for hours for Sonny to catch a fish.
Biggest one here so far.
I was going to say, do you want to tell him the weight?
10 flat.
10 flat.
Do you want to get the land?
Yeah, no worries. Beautiful, stunning fish. Right, that is us done for the day. We have had
Okay day.
okay day.
4 runs, 2 fish.
Yeah.
One was a 4.8 and the other was a 10.5 pounder. They were both mirrors, and we caught the 4.8 really early in the day and the 10.5 right at the dying last day. So yeah, we could have caught more, but we take it. We both caught, so not
We've
too
had a
bad.
good day.
And
We've had a
been
good day. It's
lovely
been
weather.
Yeah, it's been beautiful. So
Thanks, guys.
see you later.